Hey guys, welcome to the AI Integrity Career Transition Blueprint. Today, I just want to go through our one-to-one masterclass in which anyone who's interested in learning about AI governance and getting into this industry and this space can join this masterclass. We have a certification. You go through 10 modules, then you go into our fellowship, which is basically a one-to-one with me in which I'll go through specific scenarios with you and mentor you through that process. And then finally, you actually get a client on board who I will shadow you with while you do the work. And essentially, you will take all the credit. This is the AI Integrity Group, Professional Career Transition Blueprint, as you can see. And the idea of putting this together was realizing that I feel like in the space that we are right now, there's a lot of courses out there, there's a lot of accreditations and so forth, but I don't think anyone is really taking time to teach people within the AI governance space who do not have practical knowledge how to actually implement these processes. So I want to actually start doing one-to-one mentorships with people that are interested and actually showing people the processes that you go through day to day as an AI governance consultant, right? So the idea here is you'll be doing an elite, highly technical one-to-one masterclass for senior consultants, legal counsel, and risk leaders. I mean, this really can be done by anyone who's got some sort of governance knowledge or compliance knowledge, cybersecurity. There's so many different industries that align with AI governance. So don't feel like just because I've mentioned legal counsel and senior consultants and risk leaders only that you don't fit into this category. DM me or do our scorecard and book a consultation with me. And I can actually walk you through the processes and find out if AI governance is a space where you can actually pivot into at the moment. Because I get a lot of messages from people saying to me, they're coming from a compliance background, GRC background, etc. And would AI governance consulting be something they could get into? Of course you can. Of course you can. I mean, this space is still new, and at the present moment, there is no entry level. A lot of jobs are looking for people who've got 5 to 10 years experience. And as we know, obviously that can't exist because the industry hasn't existed for that long. So if you've someone who's got, let's say, 10 years in compliance or senior consultants or legal counsel, risk leaders, and you've had about 5 to 10 years in these spaces, AI governance is perfect for you. All you need to do is understand the processes and scenarios that you will face and be able to essentially make good decisions, right? When it comes to understanding exactly how to execute on specific tasks that you're required to do within the job. So yeah, the masterclass will cover all of that. And let me just introduce myself really quickly to those of you who don't know me. So my name is Ash Masoa. I am a leading global authority in AI governance, compliance, and ethical AI implementation with extensive experience bridging the gap between cutting edge artificial innovation and rigorous regulatory oversight. I've established myself as a trusted advisor to enterprise organizations navigating the complex landscape of the EU AI Act, SEC guidance, GDPR, and emerging global AI frameworks. I've also successfully collaborated with over 50 organizations across diverse sectors, which include finance, healthcare, technology, to transform compliance from an operational bottleneck into a distinctive competitive advantage. So this is basically my landing page for the professional career transition blueprint, which breaks down who I am and what I'm actually trying to do in this space, guys. So my key achievements and credentials are I've guided and worked with Fortune 500 companies to full compliance with the EU AI Act requirements and NIST requirements as well. So I've also developed automated governance as code pipelines, reducing model deployment cycles by up to 40%. I've established comprehensive human in the loop HITL frameworks, ensuring accountability in high stakes algorithmic decisions. And I'm a frequent speaker and educator on algorithmic risk management and ethical safeguarding. So that's a little bit of information about me. I mean, I'm sure most of you who follow me know about my 4-pillar methodology in regards to building trustworthy artificial intelligence systems and deploying them. The link to this landing page you can find in the description. You can have a look, have a full read through. I want to just go straight to exactly what we're offering, right? So here it is, the Professional Career Transition Blueprint. So the idea here is we want to help you become an AI governance architect. This masterclass is not merely educational, it is a direct commercial pathway into the AI Integrity Group. We train you to audit model behavior, deploy automated compliance pipelines, and secure high-value corporate advisory retainers. So the AI Integrity Group pathway will be a pathway that accelerates you into our elite partner network. As algorithmic risk increases, the AI Integrity Group faces more enterprise audit demands than our central core squad can handle. We actively route overflow advisory accounts to certified masterclass graduates who demonstrate technical and legal precision. So what you'll get from this is essentially acquired client leads. You will bypass months of cold outreach and get access to certified partners. Certified partners will also receive hot, vetted corporate introductions seeking automated policy guardrail implementations. You'll also get white labeled frameworks, which I use and are battle tested, compliance playbooks, Python audit sandboxes, and policy as code schema templates. And being part of the pathway will also get you a cosign on regulatory liability and safety certificates alongside Ash Masoa, giving small consultancies immediate fortune level trust. So if you're already running a consultancy, for example, I'm more than happy to kind of guide you guys and show you guys the way, or your consultants the way that I essentially have built trust within my community. And obviously, as you know, the AI Integrity Group is a charity. I do not personally take any profits from the company. Everything that I earn individually as a consultant. So I think the most important thing here is to understand that the AI Integrity Group partners receive direct corporate overflow leads. Like, a big part of consulting is having access to leads. And for a lot of people who are solopreneurs and trying to consult by themselves and not part of a consultancy, it's very hard sometimes to put yourself in a position where you can actually get consistent leads. And the beauty of working with us is we'll give you access to those leads. And it's really down to you how you close those leads and what you do with those leads. But we have a pipeline of leads, of people constantly contacting us in regards to us consulting them and supporting them with the deployment of AI in their business and their AI governance. So you'll also get pre-packaged technical playbooks and a joint audit co-signing authority under my brand, which radically shortens the client acquisition cycles to zero. And that's one of the biggest parts and most important parts about what we're doing that people don't understand. I think a lot of people just think we're offering mentorship or courses, which everyone else does. But what we're actually doing is allowing you to leverage us as the AI Integrity Group so that you can go out there and do independent auditing and consulting and earn money for yourself without having to wait to get hired. Because right now, the entry level space for AI governance is non-existent. They really want you to have some sort of experience, to have implemented some sort of solutions, and this is the perfect opportunity for you to do that. So when we look at the current salary topography, you're looking roughly at a junior AI risk architect earning around 165,000 a year, senior governance engineers earning 245,000 a year, director of algorithmic safety earning around 320,000 a year. And the beauty about this is you have no limits to how many retainers you can have because of the nature of the job. So the more experienced you are, the more knowledge you have, the less time it will take you to execute on the actual work. So it allows you then to be able to take on more retainers and earn more as you go along, right? So I think for now, this is where I'm going to leave it. If you're someone who's interested in finding out more about the masterclass, DM me or take our scorecard. Take the scorecard in the link below. What the scorecard will do, it will help me assess where you are right now within the governance space. And there should be a link underneath once you've done the scorecard to book a consultation with me. I am so inundated with clients, with people messaging me, with with leads that it takes me a while to get in contact with people once you've done the scorecard. So if you want to contact me and you want to speak with me, what I suggest doing is literally just clicking the consultation option on my website or on the scorecard, booking a consultation with me, and it's that simple, literally. Like, I will definitely attend the meeting. It's usually through Zoom, and you usually have half an hour to an hour conversation with me, and I can sort of kind of see where you are at the moment and guide you what direction to go. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. If you're someone in the AI governance space or trying to pivot into the AI governance space, my name is Ash Masoa, and I would really appreciate it if you could like, comment, and subscribe, and potentially follow me on LinkedIn as well.